Hi sir, great evening. This is Yadagirigutta Yadadri Venture. This is a very prestigious project. Spot registration, clear title, all developments are completed. Like underground drainage, water, electricity, roads, compound wall is completed. This is the secure investment. This is the future big satellite township. 400 acres, good returns. Returns guarantee, not a good returns. Yes sir, this is the location. I'm standing in center point of venture. All 40 feet road, 60 feet road, all roads. Nearby our site office. This is the black line is water line. This is a drainage. Work is completed. 60 feet road. This is the park. Electricity. Is a good location, good investment, right time to take, right place to take, a good investment, right place to investment, right time to investment, right location to investment. Will give 10 years free maintenance, spot registration. Take a call.